All right, so this is Thursday morning and we're just going to bring you some beautiful fabrics. Like I said, just great prices. You know, the best time to buy white is all the time, because look at this white. It's a clean 100% cotton, stretching both directions. That new little white t-shirt, we all need one. It's stash worthy. This is a great price. Oh, perfect. So this is a new fabric. This is for spring. We're just giving you a little taste of spring. Is that beautiful? Little blouse, little jacket. Oh, it's lovely. It's a cotton poly. Just absolutely stunning. The designer, you know, I can't give it to you, but you've heard of it. All right, this is our pink corduroy. We've had this a request back. I wanted to do this little pink group because this is a really great transition. It transitions from the darker into the lighter for spring, and it's just going to be beautiful. So it's 100% cotton. It's a stretch woven. Isn't it lovely? It's absolutely lovely. Again, great pricing on this. This is a denim, a printed denim. It's adorable. I had a couple requests to bring this back, so here it is. 100% cotton. It's only $14.99. Just ridiculously low. This is a cotton poly. No, I'm sorry. It's 100% viscose. Look at that color. It's beautiful. Like a cranberry. It's just absolutely gorgeous. 100% viscose. This is a stretch woven. It has stretch in one direction, and then look at this to go with it. This is Manila Cross, and this is a designer. Manila Cross is out of Italy, and look at those two together. Are they just beautiful? This is a silk cotton, and again, it's at a great price. I think it's $24.99, which is ridiculously cheap, but I wanted to show them to you together. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? This is a little darker, richer. This is a little lighter, but that blend is just perfect. Oh, just too good of fabrics. Anyway, the goal is, of course, you know it, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.